Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the G41401M thermal printhead, designed as a compatible replacement for Zebra S4M barcode label printers. If you're experiencing print quality issues like faded labels, missing lines, or complete print failure with your S4M, the printhead is often the culprit. This particular printhead boasts a 300 dpi resolution, which is pretty standard and ideal for printing clear, crisp barcodes, text, and graphics on your labels. The DPI, or dots per inch, determines the level of detail your printer can produce, and 300 dpi is a sweet spot for most general labeling applications. The fact that it's a direct replacement for the Zebra S4M is a huge plus. No need for complicated modifications or adjustments. Simply swap out the old printhead with this new one. Each pack contains one printhead, so you're getting everything you need for a single replacement. The product description emphasizes high-quality construction, which is crucial for a component like this. A well-made printhead translates to consistent and reliable printing performance, minimizing downtime and ensuring your labels are printed correctly every time. After all, a faulty barcode can cause major headaches in inventory management and logistics. While I haven't personally tested this specific printhead in a Zebra S4M, the specifications and claims suggest it's a viable option for restoring your printer's functionality. When choosing a replacement printhead, always ensure compatibility with your specific printer model to avoid any issues. The G41401M is explicitly designed for the S4M, which eliminates that concern. If your Zebra S4M is printing poorly and you've ruled out other potential causes like ribbon issues or printer settings, the G41401M printhead is definitely worth considering as a replacement. A new printhead can breathe new life into your printer and get you back to producing high-quality labels quickly and efficiently.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.